Yo, 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 what's going on YouTube? How are you? And I just wanted to introduce yo, 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 just to be silly. How are you? Hope you are having a good day. Thanks for watching another video with Tech Support Spy. Again, I'm David. I am the person that is behind the channel and the content on this YouTube channel called Tech Support Spy. Like and subscribe, by the way. And this video is going to show you how to create a local account on Windows 10. So if you watched our other video, Windows 11, how to create a local account for Windows 11, we showed you how to do that. This video is going to show you how to create a local account and profile that's stored on your hard drive and not the Microsoft account using the user and groups utility or command for Windows 10. So we're doing it a little bit differently. We're showing you on this video for Windows 10 how to create a local account using the user and groups command to add that local account and giving them administrator rights so that they can then sign into the computer and going to be used at Windows 10 or Windows 10 machine. So hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Tell everybody about us. Go to TekSupportSpy.com. Take a look at our website as what the LLC does and the services that the LLC provides. And again, thank you for watching Tech Support Spy.
Yes. Welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. So I hope you watched the last video with creating the local account. In case you need to create an account for someone that access your computer. I think the last video we showed you how to create little Tootsie's account. Little Tootsie's account on Little Rocky's computer. So this video is going to show you how to create an account locally in a different way. So, what do I have for you today? You know, it's nice outside and summertime is starting to wind down. You know, I'm a summer guy. I can't stand winter. I can't stand the cold. I wish I lived in Florida or, you know, the equator, you know, somewhere where it just stays hot year round. Even during winter time, the highest is like 70 degrees. That's where I need to live, you know, where I'm at now. And I'm stationary, as always. I'm on a top secret mission. I'm in a place where it's not hot year round. You definitely have your seasons, your winters, your falls, your summers, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's dive into this video, shall we? All right, so we are using this method to add a new user or new local user. We're going to use Windows 10. We are on one of our virtual machines. And let's see here. I can't remember what I have on here. I think. All right, so we have Windows 10 Pro. And we're going to show you how to create a local user on Windows 10. This method or this command doesn't work on Windows 11, but it works on Windows 10. And we're going to use the users and groups Windows utility. I'll show you how to pull it up. And I can't remember, I think Windows 10 or the users and groups came around during Windows 98 or Windows NT. I can't fully remember. And for you Microsoft Windows enthusiasts, if you know or can tell me, you know, the users and groups utility, if that was part of Windows 98 or N10, or maybe it was prior to Windows 98. I can't fully remember. And I could Google it, but I just don't feel like Googling it. But I can't remember which operating system that users and groups was first um, made available to you to create new users and new groups for your Windows operating system. But we're going to show you how to do it. And again, this can only be used on Windows 10. So we're going to go down to the lower left corner, the 4 squared window pane from Microsoft, or the Start menu. Right click, go to Run or highlight Run, and left click on it. And I've already typed in the command. The command is lusrmgr.msc. And for users and groups, I don't know why they called it lusrmgr. I would think for users and groups, they would have named it like usrgrp.msc, but I guess that means, local or lucky user manager. I don't know. I'm just making up stuff. And the MSC, and I'm not going to dive a lot into the Microsoft Windows Management Console, but the MSC has to do with the Microsoft console, the Administrator console. And you used to have a lot of different Microsoft consoles that you can access through Control Panel in like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8. But as the operating system evolved, like Windows 10, Windows 11, the Control Panel is still available, but a lot of the different console mechanisms or features are all available to you in the settings. So, and I can do a quick search here real quick just to show you. And I don't know if anybody remembers the Control Panel. Control Panel is still available in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So anyway, let's stay focused. And we have the command typed into the run box. We're going to hit OK. And it's just come up here. So for new users, as we did in the Windows 11 video, we took little Rocky and his sister, little Tootsie, who needed access to his computer. We showed you how to create an extra account for little Tootsie to be able to access the computer that little Rocky uses. So here we're going to show you how to add account locally using the users and groups. So you're going to left click on users and you're going to go to action, go to new user, and we're going to type in little Tootsie. Little Tootsie. Full name is little Tootsie. And we're going to type in the password here. Something simple and easy. We're going to uncheck the user must change password on next login, which means the next time they log into the computer, they have to change the password. We don't care about that. And we're just going to make it that the password never expires. And we're going to create the user. And then we're going to hit close. Then go to the users folder, double click on it. You'll see the users, and then you'll see little Tootsie. I don't know what it is about that name. I just think it's funny. Somebody might watch this video and then, maybe be like a 11-year-old rapper, and he's gonna call himself Little Tootsie. There might already be a rapper named Little Tootsie. Anyway, go ahead and left click on Little Tootsie so it's highlighted, and then right click, go down to properties, and then go to member of. And at this point, Little Tootsie is part of the default Windows memberships or group membership, and he's just classified as a user. You need to be able to give him some type of role or some type of permission role by using some of the Windows default permission roles, and we want to make little Tootsie an administrator. So we want to add little Tootsie to the administrator group for Windows. So we're going to go ahead and hit add. And here I could type in like administrators, but we don't want to do that. We want to just find the group that we want to add little Tootsie to. So we're going to hit advanced and just choose find. Now it's going to give you a list of all the different groups. And these are all delivered groups in Windows 10. We want to make little Tootsie an administrator. So we're going to choose administrators, hit OK. And you see, this is the group that I'm selecting a little Tootsie. Okay, now little Tootsie is part of the users group and the administrators group. And the administrators group gives little Tootsie the ability to download things, to go into device manager. You know, they can do things as an administrator on this Windows 10 computer. We're going to go ahead and hit apply. Hit OK. And then we are going to sign out. We can sign out, or we can just go to little Tootsie. Let's go to little Tootsies, shall we? Yeah, all right. We see that we have little Tootsie at the login screen. We're going to type in our password, and it's going to give us that welcome. And let's let Windows do its thing. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. Thanks, Windows, for getting things ready for me. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Yes, I'm showing you that I know how to read. For you trolls that might be saying, okay, why is he saying that? We can read too. Ah. Alright, we're going to give it several minutes here for us to get into the account, into our desktop as little Tootsie. I would kind of think of a rap or some type of rap song with like some bars, but I'm not a rapper. For some reason, that sound like that kind of rhymed. I'm just blurting out stuff, being silly. Hopefully here this gets done. Almost there. Oh, he almost had it. Remember that commercial with the old man with the fish? Oh, you almost had it. Anyway, all right, we're at the privacy settings, and you can choose the privacy settings, the location, and all this good stuff. I'm just gonna accept it. I don't care about it. The main goal is to get little Tootsie set up as a user on this Windows 10 computer. So we are back at the desktop, and as you see, I'm logged in as little Tootsie. You know, and as an administrator, I can pull up Device Manager. I can do a lot of different admin functions on this computer. As me being part of the administrator role or administrator group. So that is how you add a local account to your computer for a user, whether it's your sister or your mother, whoever it may be, for Windows 10. And you can use the users and groups method to add that local user to that computer. So I hope this video helped you out and hope just gave you some insight. Please like and subscribe. Go to TekSupportSpy.com. Take a look at our website and what the LLC part of Tech Support Spy does and how we provide service. We do provide computer tech support as well. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, tell your friends about us. And again, thank you for watching Tech Support Spy.